These steps will help you improve your credit score. Stop missing payments. Set up automatic payments instead. Stop maxing out cards. Lower your credit utilization instead. Stop guessing. Follow this clear credit score roadmap. Credit scores are built from 5 parts. Payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score. The amounts owed accounts for 30%. Length of credit, or how old your credit card or loan is another 15%. Finally, your new credit and credit mix each account for 10% each of the remaining 20% of your credit score. Think of credit score like a threshold ladder. Below 580 is poor, 580 to 669 is fair, 670 to 739 is good, 740 to 799 is very good, 800 and above is exceptional. Where should you be? Aim for at least 740 for better rates. 800 plus gets the best offers. Pay everything on time because that's the biggest factor. Cut your credit utilization. Keep balances under 30%, ideally below 10%. Keep old accounts open to boost your average age of your accounts. Avoid multiple hard inquiries. Only apply when needed. Mix types of credit responsibly over time. Do these consistently and watch your score climb. One smart move at a time.